Let's talk about wood waste, the mountain of offcuts, shavings, and sawdust left behind every time we use timber. Globally, we generate millions of tons of this stuff every year, enough to fill stadiums. For decades, it was just dumped or burned, a dirty secret of the timber industry. But some saw potential in this mess, a resource, not rubbish. Enter particle board, a product that transforms leftovers into something strong and useful. It's a marvel of modern manufacturing, turning chaos into perfectly flat, uniform sheets. We'll follow the journey of discarded wood as it gets a second life. This isn't just recycling, it's reinvention. Particle board gives overlooked remnants new purpose and strength. Next time you see a piece of particle board, remember it's the ghost of 1,000 trees, a victory over waste. It's a practical solution to a massive environmental challenge. Born from grit and ingenuity, it makes our lives easier and our planet healthier. Let's dive in and see how it's made. Ready to get our hands dirty? Why care about recycling wood? Because it's a climate game changer. The UK alone generates over 4 million tons of wood waste each year. Globally, it's staggering. Dumped in landfills, wood releases methane, a greenhouse gas far worse than CO2. By recycling, the particle board industry slashes emissions and keeps our air cleaner. It also saves trees. Every ton of recycled particle board spares about 12 mature trees. Multiply that by millions of tons and you're talking about entire forests saved. This protects wildlife habitats and preserves biodiversity. It's a circular economy in action. Wood waste becomes new products, not landfill. Recycling wood is efficient, conserving resources and energy. Particle board isn't just cheap, it's an environmental hero. It cleans up waste streams and protects natural landscapes. What's good for business can be great for the planet. This is a real, working solution to a massive waste problem. Let's see how the cycle works. The process starts with collecting wood waste from everywhere: sawmills, demolition sites, old furniture, and more. Fleets of trucks gather this jumble before it hits the landfill, delivering it to particle board plants. There, it's dumped into vast yards, forming mountains of raw material ready for transformation. The wood waste is full of unwanted materials: metal, glass, plastic, and more. First, powerful magnets pull out nails, screws, and steel. Eddy current separators remove non-ferrous metals like aluminum and copper. Density separators, air knives, blow away lighter wood, letting heavy stones and glass drop out. Near-infrared scanners spot plastics and treated wood, blasting them off the line with puffs of air. Each step strips away contaminants, leaving only clean wood fibers. It's a high-tech cleanup, ensuring quality from the start. The result, a stream of pure wood ready for the next stage. Only the best fibers make it through. This precision is key to strong, reliable boards. The cleaner the input, the better the final product. Technology and teamwork make it possible. Now let's break it all down. Clean wood is fed into massive chippers and grinders, reducing it to uniform chips. Flakers slice these chips into precise flakes. Thin for smooth surfaces, thick for strong cores. The geometry of each flake is engineered for strength and finish. It's all about turning chaos into consistency. Next, the wood particles are sorted by size using vibrating screens. Fine particles go to the surface layers, coarse ones form the core. This layering gives the board both strength and a smooth finish. The sorted particles are mixed with resin, usually urea formaldehyde, coating each piece evenly. Additives like wax improve moisture resistance, sometimes fire retardants or fungicides are included. The goal, a sticky, perfectly blended mix called the furnish. Every particle is coated but not clumped. This careful mixing is crucial for board quality. The furnish is now ready to be shaped into a mat. The transformation is about to begin. Precision at this stage means a better board later. The right mix makes all the difference. Let's see how it comes together. The furnish is layered onto a moving belt, fine particles on the bottom, coarse in the middle, fine on top. Sensors control thickness, ensuring every board is strong and flat. The layered mat enters the hot press, the heart of the operation. Heated steel plates and immense pressure transform the mat into a solid board. The heat cures the resin, bonding every particle together. Pressure squeezes out air, locking the structure tight. Timing is critical: too long and the board's brittle, too short and it's weak. Computer controls ensure perfection every time. The result, a hot, steaming sheet of particle board. Boards are cooled slowly to prevent warping or cracking. The transformation from waste to engineered panel is complete. Now it's time for the finishing touches. Cooled boards are trimmed to size by precision saws, offcuts and sawdust are recycled back into the process. Industrial sanders smooth both surfaces to a glass-like finish. This step is vital for boards that will be laminated or veneered. Sanding ensures exact thickness and a flawless surface. Each board undergoes strict quality control, inspected for defects and measured for accuracy. Rejected boards are recycled, not wasted. Only the best make it to the final stack. Finished boards are labeled and shipped to builders, furniture makers and stores. They become cabinets, desks, shelves, and subfloors. Every board tells a story of transformation and sustainability. Next time you see particle board, remember its journey from waste to wonder. That's the hidden life of the material that builds our world.